Salamat Rawat Kemikanikum the Handanikum. This is your boy Eriboycooking. Well, guess who's in the back? So that's my dad, Haji Eritrean Khalalna, Abu Addis Alana, Eritrea, Gaza surprise King Gabranina. Khadalna come Delana if I never Delana. So hopefully Tinatan reaction could money. It's by. So but stay tuned. There's more video coming up. So
well, they thought that we might have coronavirus because we are from the US and there were a couple of people with us. So we might stay here for, they said, either 10 to 14 days. We'll see. Man, this coronavirus shit, I feel like it's just scam that they try to make money. That's how I feel like. This cannot be that scary, you know what I mean? But maybe it's just my opinion and I'm just saying it because I'm having a long day, but I'm okay with what they're doing because they took us straight from the airport and down here. Man, we haven't ate anything, man. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I want to eat, but I hope that everything would go well. How y'all doing? Well, this is our second day and we here because of the coronavirus, and I thought that, you know, because we are from the US and we might have coronavirus, so they've been taking our temp. That's all they've been doing. The hotel that we stay in, there's no TV. It's so boring, and most of them are elderly. It's just me, the youngest one, and it's really not that much to do. But one of the best part of this is we have this. You know, I can actually just look outside, and it's just beautiful. Yeah. I guess you can hear those people talking. Well, my dad is downstairs and I'm just here chilling. I hope that they can send us a little early. If not, but we're gonna be here for another 12 days, and pretty much half of my it's not vacation that I'm here. I'm here because of my grandma, but at least the 14 days I should have, you know, I could have stayed with her, but we have to be here, so I'm here. Anyways, that's all we've been doing, just chilling, not doing anything. Maybe I'm not gonna do more of editing and drawing pictures, and that's all I'm gonna do. And maybe we'll read some books, but that's pretty much it. For the 14 days, I don't know. I don't really know what to do, to be honest with you. Well, we are in Dbarwa, and what is it called? Hanibal Hotel, I think. It's Hanibal. Yeah, Hanibal Hotel or something. I'm not sure. Well, my other grandma is here, so I'll try to see if I can just call them and talk to them, because last night I didn't have any phone that I can call, and they can't even come and visit us, or they cannot even talk to us. They cannot even say hi, and we can't even give them the stuff that we brought. You know, we brought with us for them, and we'll see. But I'm gonna call her today and see. I'm just gonna say hi, cause my plan was to actually just go to my my dad's grandma house and surprise them, but it didn't happen. So we have to give them a call and let them know that we staying here because of the coronavirus. And here I was trying to surprise my other grandma, and she's here, and I can even call her because I don't have a phone. And I was gonna surprise them too. I was just gonna, you know, knock on the door and be like, hey, I'm here, but it's not happening. So I have to give them a call. At least they know that I'm here. It's not like, you know, anything was gonna happen to me or is gonna happen to me, but I just want them to know that I'm here. So Then when I'm out of here, they don't feel like, I didn't come visit or any of it. Because I'm spending most of the days in here. But we'll see what we're going to do. I'll keep you updated. And yeah, I hope this coronavirus shit goes away really fast. Because it's just, I'm tired of it. I'm not going to lie. I feel like it's a scam. And I did not believe any of it. Maybe it's true, but maybe it's just me. But I feel like they just taking it to the extreme. But anyways, I think that's my dad knocking.
Well, good morning. It's 8:30 now, and well, there's not much update I'm gonna give it to you guys, but we've been here for 9 days now. Today is Tuesday. Well, we only have 4 days left. We'll be released on Saturday, if not a little earlier than that. But yeah, they move us to another room. It's a little update, which we have TV and really a little nice view, but we don't have a porch where we can go out. Well, it's fine as long as we have the TV. That helps a little with the boredom, because I was so bored. But in terms of the coronavirus quarantine, all they're doing is taking our temp, making sure that we taken care of. They give us food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. With that, you have juice, fruit, and it's your choice, so you can choose whatever you want and you get it. And I thought we were fortunate enough to have that.
Well, as you guys can see, we have our lunch now. Well, this was from the breakfast, but lunch was fruit and food, and I have we have a drink too. So, what more can you ask?
We haven't seen any change. So the 14 days, it seems like a waste, but at the same time, we know that it's for safety reasons. But because you have to do other stuff and you don't feel like doing it, but we have no choice, so we stayed. And well, we had about 40 something people, and some of them already left, and none of them had anything, and even none of the people that are with us now have any symptoms of coronavirus. And so I feel like they might have released us a little early or Saturday, but I have a feeling we're gonna go on Saturday.
Well, this is the room. We already have put our stuff in here, as you guys can see. Yep, you gotta have that Coke too. Well, this is our TV is on top of there. There's a nice view down here. Well, we're not that far from our first room. We're in the second door, and this is nice, especially at night. The sunset is just beautiful. And the funny thing is, some of the people, when they see us, they don't even want to say hi. They think that we have coronavirus. As you guys can see down here, people are waiting for other people. They just gonna say hi from that far, and that's about it. They can't even shake your hand or anything. Well, I understand that, but this is a good view that we have either at night or daytime. But the mirror is dirty, so I don't think you guys can see. You see it through the camera. I'll go on top of the roof and I'll show it to you guys, and I'll show you around the place too. It's not bad, except it hasn't been used for quite some time, and so sometimes it's just some of the stuff does not work, and but what can you do? That's okay. I'm glad that it's it could be worse, but it's good. So they're trying to put Wi-Fi on for us. We'll see if it's gonna work. If not, we only have 4 days, so it's not a big deal. But we asked and they said okay, and but sometimes it's a little slow in here. Pretty much everything is a little slow in here. It takes a little time. But yeah, that's what we've been doing so far. And yeah, I don't know. And yeah, I met some family member from Dbarwa, and they just say hi from far. They just say hi, and you say hi. You don't even hug or anything. That's so hard. Trust me, guys. It's really hard.
And whoever, if you guys are planning to do quarantine on your own, or you're told to do quarantine, the first thing you need to do is have all the food, drinks you need, pretty much all the protective equipment as well, like gloves, mask. Yeah, and if you need to take any medication with you, just hold it with you, because you know that you're not gonna go nowhere for 2 weeks. So it's not easy. And if you're in a place where you don't have electricity, I don't know, read books, draw pictures. Thank God we have electricity 24/7 in here, so that was not a problem. But I didn't have TV in my other room. Now I have TV. That's fine. And at the same time, I have more time, so I can read books, draw pictures, and interact with some of the people. Sometimes we go downstairs, we talk, but we have boundaries. You know what I mean? So yeah, and just call up your family members and talk to them, so that way you're not bored as well. So yeah.
Abajgo balagogo mind jahjahayo kulu tsaniya. I'm not sure what she's telling him, but izgiyo maharna horso sibilo. This is the right age to teach them about their face. But I'm not sure where they're taking them now. إذا كنت يحاول حفار الواتر يقول لهم واي بس ما إن شاء الله نبي حق طيات سبعتين كالو دمانة مشيت هلا كم زاد صبح حق زين أنا إن شاء الله بزعدسي ناز تبع الملسنا قرب رجع كنبل حق زين أنا لو حق كده مسكنا كتريوني هم بس some of my video if you stay tuned كتريوني هم كسم بدن عندي stay tuned you will watch them كسم بدن كلا كلا من كسم بدن دي كمكن نمسح معهم نتيهم نا Eriboycooking فان معهم نمسح إلى الجوار كوين بأخذ لهم ما يغير تحدي ثاني. Good morning, how y'all doing? Well, today is Wednesday. We have 3 days left, and I guess I'm gonna go ahead and show you around the place, and I'm gonna go on top of the roof and I'm gonna show you how beautiful view we have. But I was fortunate enough to meet Solomon Tahaye, one of the greatest artists in Eritrea, and he was he held a meeting yesterday for about 15 to maybe 20 people, and he was just telling us about his book, how it took him 10 years. He has done a lot of research, and I don't know if you guys want to read his book. And he's the one who wrote the national anthem, the Eritrean national anthem. He was the one who wrote it, and he was telling us the story how he wrote the national anthem. It was just beautiful, and he has other books too, which I will show it to you. We had a meeting for about 2-3 hours, and it felt like 15 minutes. It was that good. I have some video, or it's just only home use, but he might post some video on YouTube. If he does, then I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you guys know, and I'll ask him how you guys can get his books, and I'll let you guys know that too. But you guys should check him out, and he is just genius. And the way he expressed his love to our culture make me love my culture even more. And I just want to express my culture. I just want to dress up like more like my culture. And so I don't know, he make me feel like I should be proud, well, which I am proud, but he make me feel like I should be even more proud of my culture and my history. So yeah, Tahanti, the other one of his books is Sora, the third edition, he said, that it includes the first and second, and it explains how he wrote the whole.
I don't know if you guys can see this. A dam. And there's another church by the mosque. And there's two more churches behind it, this big mountain. It's beautiful up here. And now I'm going to show you where Asmara is. It's hard to know, but they said it's behind those big mountains right there. Yep. It's about 45 minutes from here. Look how beautiful it is. And this is the Wi-Fi that they put on for us, but I don't think it's working. And she's taking inch 8 them to Ariala. كحجزك كي ينبر. كحجزك كده؟ ها؟ كحجزكي؟ كمت أمه؟ حالك كمت إيه؟ أنت أوتيو منك كمت إيه؟ أنت أوتيو مني كمت إيه؟ وا يخليه. This is the reception. And I'm guessing that is the restaurant. And the bar is in the back. I don't mean to, I have some eh? Yeah, and this is the bar. Oh, I don't. Absolutely. Yes. How Thomas?
I'm gonna walk around for a little bit. Carry on my position. Tight behind. Abi comes in and I carry on my type of video. Mikhail Shikor. Usually I come down here and do my editing. Nah, let me. Let's go. Huh? Kanko hani mo dir do khoyna la mi khawe. Misalo. Let's go.
Das?
What?
Pizza.
I wish kanko hire do here. Come. Come. Lamek. Come. تقولي ده ليها؟ تقولي ده ليها؟ Alright, good. The place is nice, to be honest with you guys. And this is the guy named Hanibal Abraham. I'm not sure, I don't know the whole story, but not too long. Musa, you got a video. Come, come. جرمن كنزارب صنيحنا قرب صنيحنا ايطالي ما هنزاربينا يدفو عند دلنا well I'll show you from outside later. Well, today's our last day. We are done our quarantine. We're about to leave. I don't know, I'm not sure, maybe in an hour or either 4 hours, but I know that today's our last day. I just can't wait to see my family. Well, almost my days are done. Half of it is gone. But I mean, it's for a good cause, so I'm okay with it. But this whole time, there was ups and downs, and the good part about it was I get to know a lot of people, really good, nice people, and at the same time, you know, you get to enjoy it. But one thing that I like about here is you cannot go anywhere. The only place that you can go is around the compound or just from dining to your room, pretty much it. But the rest of it was fine, except there was not much stuff to do, which, you know, it's always boring, but it's okay. At least we are done now. I get to go home, so yeah, man, I can't wait to see my family. But yeah, if you guys are doing any quarantine or anything, you know, try to connect with your family, because I think, you know, just talking on the phone, do that, because to me, maybe some of you out somewhere, wherever, you guys have internet, but not in here. Even the Wi-Fi that they put on for us didn't work, so I don't know, but I don't know the reason. But anyways, try to contact with your family, just, you know, to kill the time. That's it. And if you have TV or whatever, just enjoy it, you know. Yeah, well, if there's more, I'll let you guys know, but if not, so we're heading to Asmara.
ኣብ ውሽጢ 48 ሰዓታት ነበረ ዝኾነሉ ታሪኻዊ ሰነድ እንግሊዛዊ ጸሓፍን ናይ ታሪኽ ተመራማሪን ባዚል ዴቪድሰን ንስራሒት
መደገኛ ሰዓብየን ስለ ዝኸትል ተጠቃምነት መድሃኒት ጸረ ባልዕ ፖሊስ ትራፊክ ናይቲ ዞባ ብምትሕብባር ኣብ ሕጊ መጓዓዝያን ኣብ ባይታ ዝረአ ዘሎ ተግባሩን ከምኡ'ውን ኣብ ድሕነት ትራፊክን ክግበር ዘለዎ ጥንቃቐታትን ዘተኮረ ሰሚናር ንመራሕቲ ዓበይቲ መካይንን ወነንቲ ጋራጃትን ኣካይዶም ብ19 መጋቢት ኣብ ከተማ መንደፈራ ዝተዋህበ ሰሚናር ሓላፊ ፖሊስ ትራፊክ ዞባ ደቡብ ሜጀር መሓሪ ወገኖም ፖሊስ ትራፊክ ኣብ ናይ ቅጥራን መስመራት ዝገበሩ ቁጥጥር ንናይ ሓመድ መንገድታት ዝሽፍን እንትኸውን
ከም ዝወንጨፈቶ ሰብ ስልጣን ደቡብ ኮርያ ገልጾም ኣለዉ። ይኹን እምበር መንግስቲ